Hey, want to see me make some olive bread? All right, half a cup black olives sliced, half a cup green olives sliced, half a cup of mayonnaise sliced, and then I threw a couple of green onions on top of the mayonnaise because I ran out of bowls, and that is a cup and a half of Monterey Jack cheese. That is a loaf of French bread from any American grocery store for about $1. Cut it in half. Throw these in there, and I'll be right back. And here's where you add 1 stick of softened butter. Not earlier when I forgot it. About 30 seconds of this on low, nothing special. I like to take a pan and line it with foil because I love my daughter, and she does all the dishes if she knows what's good for her. I take this and that. Doesn't that look nice? So you take these, 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Keep an eye on it. By the way, if you wanted to leave that in the fridge overnight before you bake it, even better. It's been in there 2 minutes and I already smell it. I smell it. Another thing, I didn't season this with salt and pepper, but you should. Ooh, look what Daddy made. Baked it for 20, broiled it for 2. I'm gonna let it sit for about 5, and then I'm gonna cut it. All right, there it is. I cut it diagonally because I'm classy AF. Let's see what's going on. Middle piece, greedy. You gotta make that. Make that, let me know what you think. Bye.